The Montana State Reference Network is a state-owned and operated real-time positioning network. The MTSRN collects global navigation satellite system observations through reference stations located across our state. These observations are processed in real time to provide highly accurate GPS coordinates to network users at any given time. The MTSRN is used by professional land surveyors, engineering firms, and aerial and drone unmanned aircrafts. Agriculture and farming, public utilities, cities and county planning, emergency response, oil and mining, and education and research. Subscribers of the MTSRN benefit from highly accurate coordinates within a centimeter, which improve workflows, reduce time on projects, and create operational efficiencies. This accuracy leads to a substantial financial return on investment for various industries. The MTSRN is state-owned and locally operated, providing accessible support, troubleshooting, and expertise. The network is compatible with various types of hardware and operating systems. The MTSRN enables the use of increasingly sophisticated new technologies like farm equipment, mining equipment, construction equipment, aquatic and aerial drones, and autonomous vehicles. The MTSRN is operated with support by our partnering agencies, including the Montana Department of Transportation, tribal nations, the Montana State Library, counties, educational institutions, and private entities who maintain, operate, and contribute to the operation of this statewide array of global navigation satellite systems and reference stations. For more information on the MTSRN or to subscribe, visit the Montana State Library's website at msl.mt.gov/MTSRN. Thank you for watching this video.